So how can you set the Google as Safari homepage on iPhone? Let's explain that. So if you're new on the Foxtecc channel, I don't want you to miss future tutorials and explanations like this one. So make sure you subscribe and you're not going to miss anything important. Okay, so on the iPhone, first of all, we need to check out the settings app where at the bottom we have the apps section. And a part of that, naturally, we want to go to the Safari, which is all sorted alphabetically. So you should be able to find it. And then within a Safari, at first, we need to make sure that search engine is selected to be Google, right? So that's the main thing, because whenever you type something into the search, without like the finished URL, it will always use the Google to look that up, right? So that's how it works. Outside of that, it doesn't really let you just set up like whenever you open up a new tab to see Google right away. It doesn't work that way, right? So what you can do in this case is, for example, click on the edit button on the new tab within Safari and decide that you are going to just have the favorites right there, which are going to be visible, right? And then you will see your favorites, which you can edit. And let's say you decide that you only want to see Google in that when you click there. So it's not like right away, but you just want to click away from the Google, right? So you can keep your favorites and only have the G icon there and click on it. Outside of that, what a lot of people just do instead is that they open up like the google.com website and click on the share button and add it to the home screen as a bookmark, right? So that is the option. And then your app on the home screen, like the icon will appear, which you can click on and it will go directly to the Google, right? So you probably would want to do that, right? It's even actually better if you ask me. So that's how you can set it up. So let me know in the comments below if you like this type of videos, if you managed to make it work. And in case of any questions, let me know about those. Thanks a lot, and I'll talk to you later in the next videos.